Good morning, Ethan. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up late watching funny videos.
I did the same thing with my social media app.
My eyes feel very dry and tired this morning.
My phone says I spent 4 hours online yesterday.
That is a long time for just scrolling, Mia.
It is a bad habit I want to change today.
Social media is like a magnet for our brains.
I see photos of people traveling and feel jealous.
Remember that people only show their best moments online.
You are right. Nobody posts photos of their dirty kitchen.
Or their sad faces on a rainy Monday morning.
I want to use my account for my teaching work.
That is a much better idea for your profile.
I can share English tips for my students there.
You need a good strategy to attract more followers.
Can you help me with the technical part, Ethan?
Of course. I study marketing and know the trends.
We should look at my current profile settings first.
Your profile picture is 3 years old, Mia.
I know. I look like a different person there.
We need a fresh and professional photo for you.
Let's finish our breakfast and start the project.
I will bring my tablet to the living room.
I'll get my notebook to write down some ideas.
Don't forget to check your privacy settings as well.
I want my account to be safe but visible.
I can show you how to block strange messages.
Thank you. You are a very helpful younger brother.
Anything for my favorite English teacher in the family.
First, we need to choose a good username, Mia.
How about English with Mia or something similar?
That is clear and easy for people to find.
I want to write a short biography for the page.
Use some emojis to make it look friendly and bright.
Learn English with a smile every single day.
That is a perfect slogan for your personality.
Should I post videos or just simple pictures?
Short videos are very popular on social media today.
I am a bit shy to speak to the camera.
Just pretend you are speaking to your real students.
That makes me feel much more comfortable and relaxed.
You can explain one difficult word in 30 seconds.
People love quick lessons when they're on the bus.
Exactly. Short content is very easy to consume.
What about the hashtags at the bottom of the post?
Use specific tags like Learn English and Teacher Life.
This helps the algorithm show my posts to students.
You are learning very fast, my dear sister.
I want to share a post about common grammar mistakes.
That is a topic that everyone always searches for.
I will create a beautiful graphic on my laptop.
Use bright colors like yellow or light blue.
They look very positive and attract the eye quickly.
Your profile looks much better already with these changes.
I feel excited to start this new digital journey.
Social media can be a great tool for education.
If we use it correctly and stay focused on goals.
Let's prepare the first photo for your new page.
I'll go and find my favorite English books.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
Stand near the window for the best natural light.
Is my hair okay, or should I brush it again?
It looks perfect, very natural and very friendly.
I will hold this old dictionary to look professional.
Smile like you just saw your favorite student.
This feels a bit strange, but I am trying.
Keep your head straight and look at the lens.
1, 2, 3. Did you take the picture?
Yes, but let's take a few more just in case.
I think the second one was the best.
The light on your face is very soft and beautiful.
Can we add a filter to make it look brighter?
We don't need a strong filter. Natural is better.
I agree. I want my students to recognize me.
Authenticity is the most important thing on the internet.
Now I need to write a caption for the photo.
Start with a question to get some comments.
What is the hardest English word for you to say?
That is a great way to start a conversation.
I will answer every comment to show I care.
Interaction helps your post stay on the main feed.
I am ready to press the share button.
Go for it, Mia. Your first post is live.
I feel a bit nervous about people's reactions.
Don't worry, your content is helpful and kind.
I see the first like from our cousin Sarah.
See, the support from family always comes first.
I will check my phone again in 1 hour.
Good. Don't check it every 2 minutes, please.
I promise to stay away from the screen for a while. Ethan, come here. I have 10 new comments.
That is a fantastic result for your first hour.
Most people say squirrel is the hardest word.
You should make a video about how to say it.
That is a brilliant idea for my next post.
One person wrote a slightly rude comment here.
Oh, I see it. Your accent is a bit strange.
Don't let one negative person ruin your mood.
It is difficult not to feel a bit sad about it.
There are always trolls on the internet, Mia.
Should I delete the comment or just ignore it?
Just ignore it or reply with a polite thank you.
Kindness is the best way to stop an argument.
You are much more mature than those anonymous users.
Another student asked about the difference between do and make.
You can write a long reply or a new post.
I will write a quick reply to help them immediately.
Your page is becoming a small community of learners.
I feel so happy when I see people learning from me.
That is the positive side of social media platforms.
It connects me with people from different countries.
Someone from Brazil just followed your account.
That is incredible. The world is so small online.
Just remember to take breaks from the notifications.
My phone is vibrating all the time in my pocket.
Turn off the sound for a few hours to rest.
I think I am becoming a bit addicted to the hearts.
We need to set some healthy limits for today.
Let's put our phones on the shelf and go for a walk.
Excellent idea. The real world is waiting for us.
It feels strange to walk without my phone in my hand.
It is called phantom vibration syndrome, Mia.
I keep thinking about what people are writing.
Your students can wait until tomorrow for a reply.
I want to be a good teacher, even on the internet.
A good teacher needs to be rested and calm.
Look at the park. The flowers are so beautiful today.
I would usually take a photo and post it immediately.
Let's just enjoy the colors with our real eyes.
I feel much more peaceful without the digital noise.
Social media makes me feel like I am always in a race.
A race for more likes and more attention from strangers.
But real attention comes from family and friends here.
I am glad we are talking face to face, sister.
Me too. I missed our long conversations in the park.
We should have a no phone Sunday every week.
That would be a great way to detox our brains.
We can read books, cook, or just walk in nature.
I will tell my followers about my digital detox day.
That is a very healthy message to share with them.
Many people feel stressed because of their smartphones.
We need to control the technology, not the opposite.
I feel like I have more space in my head now.
Silence is luxury in our modern world, Mia.
I can hear the birds singing in the tall trees.
They don't need an account to be happy.
You always have a funny way to see things.
Humor is the best filter for a happy life.
Let's sit on this bench and watch the sunset.
No photos, just a beautiful memory in our hearts.
We are back home and I feel very refreshed.
Our walk was better than any video on the internet.
I'm going to check my account one last time today.
Set a timer for 15 minutes, then turn it off.
50 new followers. This is a big surprise for me.
Your helpful post about mistakes was very successful.
I have 3 messages from people saying thank you.
Helping others is the best part of your new job.
I will post my schedule for the next week tomorrow.
Consistency is key to growing a loyal audience.
But I will not spend all my free time there.
I'm happy to hear that you found the balance.
I will use the app only for work and education.
And I will stop watching videos until 3 in the morning.
We can help each other to stay away from screens.
We can put our phones in a box during dinner.
That is a new rule for our house starting tonight.
I'll find a nice wooden box in the garage tomorrow.
Social media is a tool, not a whole life.
You are a very wise teacher, Mia.
And you are a very smart marketing consultant, Ethan.
We make a great team for the digital age.
I am going to make some tea and read my book.
I will finish my homework and go to bed early.
No phones in the bedroom tonight, right?
Right. The charger stays in the kitchen from today.
Good night, Ethan. Thank you for all your help.
Good night, Mia. See you in the real world tomorrow.
My heart feels light and my mind is peaceful.
This was a perfect day without the scrolling.